Okay, today we're going to learn how to pronounce the T sound. The first one comes in the beginning of the word. You let the air out, like t. T. For example, like top, time, teeth, tomorrow. The other T sound, we really don't pronounce it. We pronounce it lightly. It comes at the end of the word. Okay? Like, we stop it before we let the air out. Like cat, hat. We don't say cat, hat. All right? Again, cat. See? It's on the tip of my tongue. My tongue is in the tip of my mouth. Okay? Cat, hat, bat, sat. And finally, we have the flap T sound. It becomes a D when it's between two vowels, like daughter, party, water, shorty. Now, also the T becomes a D when the second word is a vowel and the last word ends with a T. Like it is. We don't say it is. We'll say it is. It is. It is a nice day. Like, I'll see you at 11. No, we won't say at 11. I'll see you at 11. At 11. What a nice day. No, we say, what a nice day. What a nice day. Now, I'm going to make practice sentences and you repeat after me. Do you want to get in or get out? I bought it at a computer store. I got up at 11 o'clock. I want a party. Do you want to get in or get out? I bought it at a computer store. I got up at 11 o'clock. I want a party.